A lot of them make your lips dry out. Yes, store-bought lip balms. Have you ever noticed that you buy lip balm and every single time you want to keep topping up? Most lip balms out there do nothing for the health and hydration of your lips. When it comes to cosmetics, it's always important to be sure of the composition of the product you wear. Else, you might be endangering your body. What if I told you that making your next favorite lip balm requires just 3 ingredients, 5 minutes and 0 skills? Even a kid could make this, and it's so moisturizing that you will ditch your store-bought lip balms forever. Forget complicated DIYs. This is just too easy. Big brands may hate this hack, but your lips will obsess over the results. Ready to save that $20? Let's get started. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make your lip balm by yourself using Vaseline petroleum jelly, coconut oil, and lipstick. Ingredients. The first one is Vaseline. This acts as a base and a moisturizer. It helps to soften the lips, making them feel more supple and smooth. Vaseline helps the lip balm stay on your lips for a longer time, reducing the need for frequent reapplication. Vaseline can help protect and heal chapped or cracked lips by creating a barrier that prevents further irritation from environmental factors like wind or cold weather. Yeah, not just Vaseline alone. You can make use of any other petroleum jelly product of your choice. It doesn't really matter. The next ingredient we will need for our lip balm is our coconut oil. You may use the organic type or the fractionated type. Coconut oil is rich in lauric acid, which has natural antibacterial and antifungal properties, helping protect lips from irritation or infections. To achieve the desired color shade, we'll be using the lipstick. This will give your lip balm a vibrant, customizable tint. Keep it in mind that you can substitute lipstick with any food-grade coloring or cosmetic liquid pigments. It doesn't really matter. For today's production, we are working with pink color. You can experiment with any shades you prefer. Equipment. If you can, lay your hands on these basic equipment and tools. They will help you to carry out the production more conveniently. The first one is a small heat-proof glass or a metal bowl, a double boiler or a microwave oven, stirring stick or spoon, empty lip balm containers or small jars or tubes, a small spoon, pipette or syringe. In case you can't find any of these, you may use any suitable alternatives. Procedure. When producing lip balms, whether at home or commercially, it's important to work in a clean and neat environment to avoid contamination of the product. So, clean all equipment, containers, and work surfaces before starting. This helps prevent contamination with bacteria or other harmful substances. First, scoop about 2 tablespoons of Vaseline and put into the mixing bowl. Heat it up in a double boiler or a microwave oven to melt the Vaseline. Next, I'll be adding my coconut oil. I will have used up to 15 mils. Mix these two for a while until you get a perfect blend. Cut a small piece of lipstick depending on how much color you want. You can adjust the color by adding more lipstick for a deeper shade or less for a more subtle tint. Mix well and place in a double boiler again. Better still, you can use a microwave oven and heat for about 30 seconds on a medium heat. Bring down from heat and mix well until you are satisfied with the consistency or see that you have a smooth and beautiful finish. While the mixture is still warm and liquid, carefully pour it into your lip balm containers. If you are using tubes, you can transfer the balm using pipette or syringe. Use aesthetically pleasing containers if you can. If you prefer a scented lip balm, you can add a few drops of essential oil like peppermint, lavender, or vanilla to the mix while in the liquid phase. You may also add a few drops of vitamin E oil to the mixture. Vitamin E is an excellent antioxidant that helps nourish and protect the lips. Allow the lip balm to cool at room temperature for about 30 minutes or place it in the refrigerator for a faster setting. Once it solidifies, your homemade lip balm is ready and you have saved yourself about $20. It is now ready for use. If you want to store it for longer periods, keep it in a cool, dry place, away from children and pets. If you have found value in this video, kindly smash that like button. Drop some beautiful words in the comment section. And for those who are yet to subscribe to this channel, we beg you to use this moment to hit that subscribe button. This will mean a lot to us and will encourage us to do more educative videos like this. Please, don't go yet. Watch the next videos which we feel will be of value to you.